In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly why you're going to be needing some security cameras. People are going crazy nowadays, and I've just been seeing more and more of this stuff. And I recently had a visit from two people just last night. This is one of the people right here. This is actually footage from one of my neighbors right here. And I actually got a few stills and some footage as well. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a story time, telling you guys the full story of the encounter with this woman right here. Not that woman, but this woman right here is the one that I had the main encounter with. But then the other one was a part of it too, and I didn't even know about it. So stay tuned for the whole story and check it out. Hello everyone, in today's video I definitely have a real life unboxing for you. I want to actually be in this long sleeve, but I had to actually get woken up abruptly tonight. It was actually 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was actually not even asleep, but I was hanging out in the bed, just watching some TV, hanging out, relaxing, you know, doing my thing and everything. And I hear my fence start rattling. I hear a little fence, and then I'm like, all right, what's up with that? I open up my window, shut my fan off and everything. So I was like, cool. I was like, what's going on here? And I checked out the window, hollered out there. I was like, hey, if I hear a pip squeak out of somebody out there, I'm coming out there, I'm going to mess something up. You know what I'm saying? It's real life unboxing. This is my story. I'm going to tell it how I tell it. Listen here, guys. This is what happened. I heard some boards squeaking, like shortly after that. Like as soon as I mentioned that, I heard some boards moving on my front porch. I was like, oh no, dude, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. People are out on my front porch. I was like, this is game on, because I'm always excited about this. Like I'm super A1 ready to go. But I opened up the front door, and it's this crazy scraggly woman, like completely, oh snap. Oh, about knocked the whole camera over. I'm keeping that anyway. Super crazy woman, like scraggly. I mean, like 4'9" though. Milk white eyes. I'm telling you, milk white eyes. And this is a dead ass story. This is just now happened. This is the 10th of September 2021, and this really happened. And I have proof right here, because when this woman jumped over my fence, she left her flannel shirt. No joke. And it's 1 o'clock in the morning, 12:45, and she was just screened at the ER 9:10. So it couldn't have been 45 minutes or an hour before she was admitted and screened at the ER. And I was thinking, I was like, what's going on? And she had milk white eyes and was going crazy. It looked like she was running from something. And that's before we found the shirt. So I wasn't really sure what to do. I was like, I don't know if she's in need of help. But as soon as I opened the door and I seen her, she like tried to climb through my door, basically tried to like encroach me. And I was like, no, I was like, this ain't happening. First thing I said, and normally I don't cuss on my channel, but the first thing I said was, fuck no. I said, fuck no. I said, get off of my porch. I was like, this ain't happening, bro. You need to get out of here. I was like, for real, I don't know what's going on. She didn't do good at explaining herself either. She just looked at me with those ghostly milk white eyes. And I was like, no, I ain't having this. This is some weird stuff going on. And then I walk outside to the fence like I was telling you, because I went out there. Because actually my car windows were rolled down. So I was like, oh snap, they already got in my whip and everything. I was like, I'm going to be emptied out. I was like, I don't even know what's going on. And then, like I said, on the fence, right where she jumped over, which is crazy because there's a gate. And my gate doesn't even have a lock on it. So instead of walking over and flipping the little latch, because I ain't rich, I ain't got like a mega huge gate or nothing. I'm poor as hell. So I have like just a normal little latch gate. And I'm lucky to have that. But I had the little latch gate, and she decided to jump the whole fence. And like I said, she's 4'9", bro. This is a fucking 4.5 foot, 5.5 foot fence, bro. So like I was already shooketh. And then boom, looked over there, found the t-shirt. My wife did actually. She actually has her own channel too. It's a Scent Fox. You can check that out down in the link down in the description below. Check her channel out too. But yeah, we're starving artists, so I gotta plug it. And yeah, just noticed that she was screened and decided to call the law. And what was crazy is like right before we decided to call the law, we was like looking out. We was on our front porch, and a couple cops started creeping by, and we was like, oh, these people are actively looking for this lady right now. So we called and told them about finding the shirt and stuff, so they'd have to post up. And no, and I ain't no snitch normally, you know what I mean? But when you're crazy acting like that, going to my neighbors' houses and knocking on people's doors trying to get inside of their house and stuff, yeah, bro, I'm gonna have to report that. That's sus. That's sus as hell. And plus, I got, You know what I mean? Too much stuff going on. I can't have nobody up in my house like that. I got kids and stuff. Luckily, my son was out and about and wasn't a part of this today. It's just me and my wife at the house, and the son's with the grandma. But oof, for real, that's really an eye opener. What's crazy is that even after everything was all said and done, the next morning my neighbors actually walked up on me and provided me with some extra security footage because they know I do product unboxings and stuff, and they wanted to go ahead and provide some more footage. So here's a little bit more footage and a couple more stills from this lady and another lady that I did not even know about until the following morning, which is right now, because I filmed the initial little part of this actual video late in that night, like right after it happened. But right now is the following day as I'm speaking right now, doing my editing and stuff. And I had some new information come up, super crazy, and figured I'd let you guys in on that too. There was a second lady that was literally twacked out of her mind too, completely just weirded out, like, and crawling through people's garage spaces and just like acting a fool. So here's some footage of that as well, guys. I just really wanted to give you guys that story and feel like it's a good one. I'm literally not even gonna edit this out. My wife's in here with me, just in the studio, in the office actually, just chilling late night. Got products laying around. I actually really haven't even showed you guys much of the studio. My house is a wreck, by the way, but yeah, just got products and all kinds of stuff laying around in the studio, and got the lighting and everything. But yeah, like I said, I was hella spooked, super spooked, like ultra spooked. Really creepy, guys, really creepy. I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a story time. It's really messing up my channel though, because it's not an actual product unboxing. So everyone who does watch this, all of my subscribers and everybody, just all the scragglers as well, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this story, and I might even start a separate other channel for just story time, because I've got some crazy stories, man. I've came from the bottom, bro. I got you some crazy stories. Yeah, you don't even know. There ain't no other YouTuber out there with stories like I got, bro. I got some stories. Yeah, I just hide them. I try and maintain my professionalism and stay super cool for you guys, but let's know. Real life unboxing, got some real life stories for you all. But like I said earlier, I do want to thank you all for watching. Hit that like button, comment down below. Don't forget to smash that notification bell to stay up to date on the newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.